It's the time to get down.
The wealthy, the new wealthy
yeah.
queens, okay? The financiers, the masters of the universe, the insurance companies, I told him, as well as you paid for waterboarding. Something that Americans do
Hell
not
yeah,
do.
you
We
torture,
do not torture.
because it's them or us. It's okay if it's us.
Exactly.
But if it's them, we can just jack them.
Exactly. So he called us
Here we
all
go
kind
again.
of morons, and you know, and basically, I don't give a shit about bullshit government, and you know, he's going on and on and on, and basically, I had to let him know it's not about what you're paying in taxes. It's about a politician trying to keep his job, pointing the finger at some other group of people.
Can I smell that?
Okay, huh?
Can I smell that?
You can smell my finger,
Oh,
Mario.
wait a minute. That's a moment.
There you go, Mario.
You guys said something. I'm willing
Right
to
there,
sit back.
Mario.
Oh, my goodness.
The bottom line is you're letting these politicians whoop it up and rally up and teabag it up to try to keep his job, okay? There's always
He
going to
ain't
be a
gonna
better
last long,
solution.
so he
That's what I
can
told
keep
Sean
on, Joe.
O'Neill. I'm not
Time is
mad
on
at
our
you.
side.
You're right. I'm not mad at you, Sean. I just merely pointed out,
Oh.
hey, you're not dealing with a moron. I am smarter than the average Negro. I need to let you know that.
Than the average
You are
bear.
not dealing with an asshole. My mother did
Sphincter.
not raise one. My parents did
Sphincter.
not raise an asshole
Sphincter.
or a bitch. Please understand
Bitch.
that,
Oh,
okay?
okay.
We don't get
Okay.
down like that. You're dealing with intelligent people, especially online.
Wow.
Okay? So if you want to follow and get all riled up behind the fear and get all red-faced and angry, that's what you choose to do. And as far as me being wealthy, you accusing me,
No, she's
oh, well,
broke.
you must be really wealthy. Yes, no, let me tell you this, Sean O'Neill.
At least it's
yes,
clear to me
I
now
am
I'm broke.
very wealthy. Please
No, we're
make
broke.
no
We're broke.
mistake of this.
We're broke.
You paying for it, okay? The bottom line
told you
is,
it's
yes,
tight.
I come from
It's
a
tight.
wonderful family that raised and reared me and my siblings and other members of our family who were less fortunate. We all banded together. So yes, I come from a very wealthy family. Make no mistake about it, okay? And as far as paying taxes and throwing your money away or not being able to have a say in your taxes, you should have thought about that, baby boy, when they were throwing your money away for waterboarding, when they were throwing your money away looking for weapons of mass destruction and for Blackwater. That's what you should have bitched about. These are the type of people I don't understand. I mean, look, I'm trying to wrap my mind around their outrage, but I don't understand how they have outrage for one thing, but not for another. I never saw these type of people when our economy and our administration was tanking. You know what I'm saying? And I certainly saw the other administration tanking on their policies, but I'm not going to sit up there and stop pointing the finger, you know, on some group of people or, you know, just deal with hate. It doesn't move me to hate. It
Yeah.
just doesn't move me to hate.
It gets me mad, but I'll still forgive you. But you still need to die and get out the way. I'll be nicer. I'll say, you know, we good old Joe. He died and got out the way.
So this was a great day for Sean and Joe. I realized that
And
Sean
Biff
and Joe.
Scooter, Biff and Scooter.
Okay.
And Pooter, and don't forget Pinky, Greenie, and Brownie.
Got you.
Hi there, Pinky, Greenie, Brownie, Whitey, all of you, my buddies from work. And by the way, I don't know if you guys have seen in the chat room, but he's been around. My good old chat room friends, 9 Inches,
Oh,
and
he's
Stanky
back.
Diva.
They're back.
They're back. Okay.
They're back. Okay.
So we know Danny's kind of hot, Danny. So
Well, my whole thing is that, you know, first of all, I'm having a conversation and I have no idea who you are, you know, on Facebook with somebody, and you're going to sit up there and jump in a conversation and start calling
Yes.
me names and what have
don't
you.
let them take.
Nah,
don't call you
it ain't
names.
going down like
Oh
that.
hell no!
I'm just saying.
Girl, get out the Vaseline. Take off your rings.
I'm in the chat room.
I'm
tuning
telling you,
out.
I don't play that. You know, I take off the jock strap. You don't want me to do that because then, you know, it's woo.
Well, I just look at it this way: you have people like that that are gonna, you know,
Yes.
follow what these politicians are saying and what have you. Next, it's going to be blacks again. Okay.
No, they already
and
did us.
furthermore,
It already
no,
worked.
no, no. Furthermore,
Black folks been processed.
Well, no,
We've
no,
been through the routine. We got it all down.
No, Mario.
They just
we're
kind of
gonna go.
shuffle
No, they
along.
want us to go back to that. That's why we got Nazi Confederacy.
Well, it's working
on.
well. They don't need to go back, y'all.
No, it's going back to
done.
that.
Black folks are done. The bell rang. Let's move on to the new Negro.
No, the bottom line is I had to tell this person on
Okay.
Facebook that, you know what, you worried about taxes? Should I be worried about the taxes that my family paid into when they were not even considered citizens or human beings? If that's the case, should I stop bitching about reparations for that?
What you
No, I
should have
moved
done.
on.
What you should have done is told about that special offer right now by the airlines. $52 to Paris. You just got to deal with that
Jump on
ash
me,
cloud.
scumbag!
They have a special deal.
Buy my ticket.
It's $52 to Paris. They got flights out of Compton, Bedford Stuyvesant, all these places. They got special flights. If you have a turban, it's $38. And you get to fly a special flight, except they're going to take you real close to that ash cloud. You just got to sign some papers and stuff before you go.
Yeah.
So they can do the documentary. Be on the History
Do
Channel.
it before they start
Yeah,
going
that's
after
the
the gays.
I told you.
Before they start
Oh, no, the
going
gay,
after
they have a deal
the
for
Asians,
gays. They have
the
a deal for
Asians.
gays, too.
You know, do
Let-
that before, before this country
They
gets
have
to
a
that
deal
point.
for gay
Jump on the
folks,
plane.
people who Spanish as their primary language, and anyone with a turban. $58 right now to Paris, but they fly you real close to that ash cloud.
Yeah.
So, wow, anyway, let's take a musical break because you
Stop
need
the
to chill.
hate, you guys. Stop it. Stop playing into it.
Okay. And now I'm going to play some lovely, fun, loving music so you can feel loving. You want to feel loving? Want to feel loving today?
Calm me down. I need to hear Ricky right now.
Believe,
Yeah.
be a believer. Oh, you we can't. Well, you hear Ricky? We got to come back to we come back. Well, y'all go to Ricky, RickyDiazOnline.com. Dance, I saw it, and go take a listen. Till then, here's Believer.